What's up, guys? So 2 weeks ago, I bought a mod for the WRX that's right here, and you know, less than a week, less than a week and a half, I actually received the mod, and it's right here in the box. And today we'll be unboxing it and putting it on the car. So I did open the box. Didn't make a video for that, but I'm gonna open it and take it out and show you guys what it is. Here we go. So this is a front bumper splitter that I'll be putting on the car. For the reason why I actually got this, if you watched my video, my first video, you could have seen that my front bumper is messed up. When I bought the car, I was coming back. It was like a tire or something in the road, and I ended up hitting it. Now the front bumper is damaged. And now I gotta protect it using this. So alright guys, this is what I was talking about when I said my front bumper was damaged. It's nothing too significant, but if you can see it, it got a little crack in there. So this is supposed to be like a layout of the front bumper splitter before I put it on. So I'm just showing you guys now, so see the before and after picture. Oh, fun facts guys, each time you add a miscellaneous exterior mod in your car, the car is going to get 10 horsepower. And I was just talking about the mod situation, by the way. Each time you add on a mod to a car, either exterior or miscellaneous, whatever you want to add on to it, outside of the performance, if it's like a miscellaneous mod, then the car is going to add on extra weight. And the more weight the car have on, the heavier it's going to be, so it's going to somewhat be slower. Alright guys, so I actually ran into a problem, and what I realized is that the car is lower than coilovers, and I can't get to go in here and just drill the screws in and then attach the bumper lip to it. So what I did was I left the car up just a little bit, and yeah, this is the factory jack that comes with the car, because I do have a lower jack, and that I think they need hydraulic fluid. So probably might make a video on how to fix the hydraulic fluid jack. I take that back. How to fix a jack that have a hydraulic fluid problem. Yo, I know you guys probably might be wondering, like, damn, look at them brake calipers though. See, I know they're kind of dirty right now, but I tried a couple times to clean them, but the bolt in the back of the back of the brake over there, I couldn't take it off for some reason because it was rusted, and I just left it. So I might have somebody do it. So yeah, just stay tuned, or I might just do it myself. Alright, so I'm done installing the front bumper lip. As you can see, it looked a little bit different, and that's cool with me right now. But yeah, I'll show you guys some before and after pictures, and probably something else later. And lastly, the brake calipers, I probably might have somebody do it, or I might do it myself later on sometime when I get some time, still in school or whatever. But yeah, I'll let you guys know that go. Oh yo, just in case you guys was wondering where I bought the front bumper splitter from, this is company named Octane Motorsports. The total came up to around 118 or something like that. It was pretty cheap compared to the others that I saw online. The shipping is free right now too, because of what's going on. I guess it was like $5 to ship it, but at least that's what they gave it to me for. But yo, thanks for watching though, man. The support. Make sure you subscribe too.